Top test prep.
The current MCAT is around 4.5 hours long. Now that's divided between 70 minutes for your physical sciences section, 60 minutes for your verbal reasoning section, and 70 minutes for your biological sciences section. You also have breaks in the middle, which last around 10 minutes. So what I did was, well, I took as long as I could, which is around 10 minutes for the breaks. I would go outside, I would drink my Gatorade, I would take some delicious chocolate mints to prepare myself for the next section. The verbal section really screws you up because you just came from a science section and you're going back into a very science section. So be sure at least to take this break. Now, some other advice I can give you is to take this exam, the old exam. The new exam will be much longer with an additional section and about 90 minutes per section. For more information, please call us at 800-501-7737.